Pwede ng usapan ng housemates tungkol sa issue.
Marco and I, we are no longer close.
Why do you say?
He treats me differently.
I didn't see that.
Si Edward ibinahagi naman kay Kisses ang kanyang opinyon tungkol dito.
No, when I don't like a girl, or any girl in particular, just friends with everyone. I'm really nice to everyone. But if I start liking a girl and that girl sees it and then I'm still playing with everyone and I'm still being really that nice to all the girls, that's chick boy 101. Because if I am always doing that to you, on the cheek, in Europe especially, if I'm doing like, for example, oh, hug, 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 kiss, 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 and then the girl walks in and sees me do that, what is she gonna think? But like, it wasn't meant as a... No, it's not. It's not. You don't have to say sorry because it was just misunderstanding.
Ilang sandali pa, kinausap ni Kuya si Kisses.
Ngayon ba, ano bang nararamdaman mo?
Kuya, I feel guilty because I shouldn't have said that. I really wanna adjust more for Marco and Vibree kasi ayoko na nagkakaganito kami. Some people, minsan magbabago sila, Kuya, and then that's okay kasi maging thankful ka na lang sa kanya, sa mga nabigay niya sa iyong magagandang bagay. And be happy for their happiness.
Change is inevitable. Wala tayong magagawa. Hindi natin mapipigilan ang pagbabago. Kaya, kailangan lang tayo maging handa. Kailangan nating ihanda ang ating puso, ang ating damdamin, ang ating isipan. You have to have a stronger heart and a better understanding of the people we care for. Don't let emotions overtake you. I know you know better. Naintindihan mo?
Yes po.
Pakiramdam ko, mabigat pa yung puso mo.
Kaya nasaktan po ako kasi lagi pong nangyayari sa akin na pag may tao na nagpapahalaga sa akin, tapos ma-appreciate ko sila, bigla na lang sila magbabago, tapos mawawala. Ayoko na po ito malaman ng mga tao, pero kasi si Marco po, naging close talaga ako sa kanya nung dati. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung personality niya. Gusto ko na maalaga siya. Mabuti talaga siyang tao. Lahat ng gusto ko sa isang tao, andun kay Marco, and sobra-sobra yung pinakita niya sa akin na pag-care. Hindi ko po alam kung ano nangyari. Tapos, bigla na siyang tumigil. Akala ko pa naman